Hello. Okay, so we're gonna make the super cute lemon lime garland kit, okay? So type in the word garland and I will send you the details where you can get this entire kit to your door, okay? So everything is included in it. So it comes with, I'm gonna show you everything it comes with, and then we're gonna do it, okay? So that way, whenever you get yours in, if you need to come back and check out this tutorial, you sure can. But there are actually steps all the way on it. So you can always just reference that if that's a little bit easier. Hi again. We already used one of our lemons on that thing right there. I actually used it earlier today. So anyways, we made that. Go back and watch the video if you'd like. Okay, so it looks like it comes with 7 lemon-shaped surfaces. So these are the lemon-shaped surfaces, and then it comes with, sorry, I felt like I had to sneeze. These are like the slices. There's 6 of these, okay? So it goes 7 of these, and then those go in between. Now, since I used one of there, we're just gonna have to cut it short just a little bit. We may just not end up using one of these on the end, okay? All right, so this comes with 2 different designs. It comes with this lemon design and this pattern for the end. There's the center, and it does say a hello sunshine. Hi. And then it comes with this pattern, as you can kind of see it. This is the one that we had used earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on here. Let's see. There we go. Now, we're gonna do, it comes with 2 bumblebee and a meadow. Okay, so it comes with 2 of the yellow and then 1 of the green. That's gonna get you a lot of stuff done. It'll do the entire project plus some, okay? But I have the jars, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the jars. Hello again. I'm finally doing this little kit. Finally. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we'll do 1, 2 of those in that other color. And then we'll do, let's do 3 of each, huh? We'll do 3 of each of yellow of this, and then we'll do 3 of the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all 3 of the same color on the same design first. Hello. You guys hit that heart button when you pop on. Oh, my allergies. I don't know what is going on. But we went for a walk and then we just ate dinner. But my nose has not stopped since we came from outside. So I apologize. I'm trying not look down too often as I craft. And so now I'm gonna flip that over because that's not on the right side. And place. I totally have my wine. So I have blueberry moscato. You guys, it's really good. I got it from Sam's and I love it if you're a wine drinker. I just started drinking wine a little bit, but I have to drink the sweet stuff. So if you have any recommendations, please send them my way, okay? I do love Stella Rose and Moscato. Roscato is a really good one too. Anyways, that is what I have right now. Hi. I'm waiting for your recommendations. That's what I'm looking at. All right, let's go ahead and get the second one. Now I'm going to try and do all 3 of them before the paste dries inside of the silk screen. So I'm gonna pull that right up. I'm running out of space. I accidentally set it on that. Oops, the daisies. Okay. Sweet red. Stella Rose Golden Peach. That sounds delicious. I'm gonna have to go back to Total Wines to get more Stella Rose because they had a ton of flavors. I did get a pineapple one. It's okay. I actually really like this blueberry, but I'll have to try the Stella Rose blueberry one. But I will definitely try peach. That's definitely on the list because I love peach, anything flavored. All right. So there is, do you see on that this side over here, it kind of came up a little bit. That's because it started drying. Okay. So you got to be a little faster. So I had to do my son's. Oh, I was like, you're what? Baseball? Is that baseball? Or is that basketball? I don't know. White wines, Moscato, Prosecco, sparkling wines. Might have to check that out. Okay. Yum. Hold on a second. Let me see. I need to grab. And let's see. Now we're gonna do, sorry about that. I'm gonna get, it's just really hot in here, so I had to turn up the AC. Let me move these little guys out of the way. And, is that the right way? I think so. Nope. This way? Yeah. So there is a correct way to put them on here. You just have to line them up because they are, the two sides are definitely different. You don't like wine or champagne? I cannot do champagne. I used to not drink too much wine. It actually gave me a bit of a headache. But it also might have been what I was trying to drink, maybe. I don't know. But I have found that I really like sweet wine. So that's what we try now. Okay. Pull that up. So there is the other color, not the other color, the other design. It's really cute with all the little flowers on it. And let's get a little bit more yellow. Ooh. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. All right, so I am scraping as much off as I can. Okay, and then we pull it up, set it aside, pull in our next one. Okay, so this shouldn't have to take you like a really long time, but if you are new, feel free to wash these transfers in between each use, right? If you absolutely need to, go for it. It's okay. I am just gonna try and do them all at the same time. Right? Okay. So let me put that yellow back in the jar. Pull that up. Clean this one off real quick. And I'm just cleaning it off with a board eraser, some water, and a like a bath mat, bath towel. It's not a bath towel, it's a bath mat, foam mat. That's what it is. Okay, well, let me wipe my hands down. Hi there. Sweet wine, that's all you drink? Sangria. Is sangria sweet though? Is it? Is it sweet? By the way, this is at wine too. Sam's, this little wine tumblers, they're so cute. It came with 2 of this kind, a black one and then a pink one similar to the pink that's on there. I think they're adorable. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside. Now, you could totally change this up, okay? Ooh, you can use the green just like the picture shows. Or you can grab yourself a color pink and do like a pink lemonade thing, okay? So, we are going to change it up, okay? We are going to change it up. Where did my color go? I think this is Sunset Drive. Instead of using green, I'm gonna use this color. So it's gonna be like a pink lemonade type of thing. I'll have to try it. I sure will. Okay. We are going to do the regular one. So there's one like this, and then there's one with polka dots on it. So for the like the diagonal dotted pattern, I'm just gonna do the full regular one. Okay. All right, I need another squeegee. I could clean that one off, but that's okay. So this is called Sunset Drive. And you can see what it's gonna look like with green on it because of the pictures. So I'm gonna change it up so you can actually see what this would look like, right? And then if you decide to do that, you can. Several ones that are good. Ooh, yay. First time watching. Well, hello. Hello and welcome. You guys be sure to hit the heart button if you are here watching, and then type in the word Garland. I'll send you the details. So the kit comes with the green, okay? If you like the way that this color turns out, then you can grab a jar of the Sunset Drive or just leave it, right? You don't have to get the Sunset Drive. But I just gave you guys the option if you want it. I'm almost wondering if coral would have been good too. I think the Sunset Drive is really cute, but it might be a tad bit dark. Like I think for pink lemonade, you might want something a little bit brighter. Just a little bit brighter, but nonetheless, I still think it's cute. Okay, so check it out. I like it. Thank you. So I'm gonna clean that off real quick, just with my, like I said, my water and my board eraser. Since we don't have board erasers on the website right now, they're just out of stock. You can always use Clorox wipes. Okay, I don't have any here, so I don't use them because I do prefer our board erasers. All right, let me set those aside. Let me bring in these. And let's go ahead and put this down. Cute. Now, if you're gonna do this, it does come with like the ribbon and everything you need, but the ribbon are green, okay? They are green. So you're probably gonna need to get you a little bit of pink ribbon if you decided to do it this way. Look how cute that is. Eee. Super cute. But I totally think this would be a cute project for like some girls, like a girls' night in. Bring your wine. Bring your wine and your craft, right? Your little kit. One more. Okay, so once I do this, I just need to do the little circles. And I think I'm just gonna do those in this Sunset Drive as well. Okay, so those are all done. And I know some of you guys were asking for this kit earlier, so we're just gonna go ahead and do it now, right? Now, I will tell you, oh no, I don't know, actually, let me not say that. Not sure. Well, actually, no, I'm pretty sure. No, I'm not, never mind. I didn't know if they were gonna restock after they sold out. They're not, I don't think they're low quantity yet, so just grab it on your next order. Okay. So now we have these little guys. So we've got 6 of those. We're gonna go ahead and do these. There are 6 of these as well. The polka dots are super cute, right? Okay, hold on. Ta-da! This is gonna be fun to try and do. So I think I'm gonna try and make through all 6 of them, you guys, but if I notice they start to get a little splotchy and they look a little bit more rustic when you go to pull them up, that's because the paste isn't quite going all the way through, okay? And that means the paste may be drying. So at that point, you'll wanna go ahead and just rinse off, wipe down your transfer, and then go back to, look how cute that is. Then you can go back to doing the same thing, right? Put it back on here. Okay. And let's get that all the way around. Okay, and clean it. This kit, it's a great question. Hold on. I might have to clean it as we go. That's okay. I think I can do it the other way. Hold on. So I used it, you guys, but the holes are on these little things, right? So the hole was collecting all of the paste in it. So it was on the back side of the transfer. So maybe you might have to clean it every couple of them. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let me clean it. Let's clean it, let's clean it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sonia. It's $29.99. That's pretty good because the transfer itself, you can reuse it. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm gonna clean this off. I'm just gonna dry it with a little napkin so I can go ahead and use it again. And they line up really well. You just have to eyeball it a little bit. Pick it up and move it around though as you need. It's sticking to my table. Obviously, it takes concentration. Because I am like fully concentrated on trying to match the hole back up so I can use it a couple more times. But that concentration there. Whew. Where did that line come from? Okay, we're gonna do last one just so we don't leave this one out. Nah, we're not gonna do that one. I'm gonna save it. So I used one up there on that sign behind me, that lemon sign behind me. So I'm just gonna leave that other one alone in case I need it for something. That way it's not used, right? I can do something with it later if I need to. All right. I'm going to sneeze in a second and I apologize like right now. I'm trying not to. I'm trying not to. I'm using paste. Yeah, we're just using paste. Okay. Let's see. Like that. Now, do we want to put Hello Sunshine on any of these? Maybe just on this one? Yeah, no problem. Just paste. No, if I sneeze, it's gonna be super loud. Do you have a really loud sneeze or are you a quiet sneezer? Lately, the allergies that I've had just the past, it's probably been 2 days. My sneezes have come out of nowhere and they're so loud that they hurt. I'm like, I don't want to sneeze anymore. Okay. I think we're all good. Now, it comes with all of these ribbon, okay? So it comes with all of these. You're supposed to tie them on each end. but we're not gonna use the green ones, okay? You're a loud multi-sneezer. My mom sneezes in threes every time. So we all know just to hold the bless you until after the third one. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of tape and I'm gonna tape up the end of our, whatever this is called, twine, jute, whichever you prefer. And I'm gonna kind of make a point, like a needle out of it, okay? Ta-da! No less than 6, holy moly. That's a lot of sneezes, I'm so sorry. Okay, we're gonna go through the back and on the front. So the fronts will all look like that, okay? So here we go. We're just gonna pull that all the way through. Not all the way, but you know, however far we need to. And then we're gonna go with one of these little pieces. Okay, and then we're gonna come in with this one. And then this one. That's too funny though. All right, you guys, hit the little heart button if you are on and still watching. And then type in the word Garland so you can grab your kit, okay? So I'm having to pull, oops, pulled the wrong way. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. So we're doing all of them. So it comes with 7 big lemons, and then it comes with 6 small slices. But I used a lemon today back there on that project behind me. That's what we did earlier today. So I left out a lemon slice. So I only have 6 and 5 on the Garland, okay? I mean, we could stop it a little bit shorter. We could stop it a little shorter and do that. We'll do that. I'll save that lemon. Okay, I'll save the other lemon and I'll do another project with our club transfer. But that means I do need this one. So let's clean that off. I'm gonna go ahead and do this last one real quick. Ah. When I eat too much, I sneeze 15 or more times. Oh my goodness, on a full stomach? Wow, that's a lot of sneezes. How does that even happen? could not imagine sneezing on a full stomach. Much less 15 times. Yikes, I am so sorry. Okay, so we're gonna dry that real quick and we're gonna add it to this other end. Excuse me, that way the little slices are what is on both ends, okay? So let's hit this with the drying tool. I'll put those aside. Hi. Okay. Let's add this little guy over here. Other way. And from that side out on this side. And that's how you threw your back out, just sneezing? Oh my goodness, Sonia. Let's scoot them closer. Okay. Scooch, scooch, scooch. Pull. So I'm gonna try and pull these in pretty close. And then it just depends on where you want to hang yours. So like if you're hanging yours over your mantle or a fireplace or something like that, you may want to extend them or spread them out a little bit further. But if you're going to do it over like a kitchen door or your kitchen sink or something like that, you may want to scoot them in a little bit closer. Okay? So let me show you. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Whoa there, whoa there, whoa there. Look how cute! Isn't that cute? Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit on the ends. I'm actually still gonna scoot them in closer. Just because I want you guys to be able to see it when I hold it up on the whole screen. So let me scoot them in. It's a Hawaiian lei. Okay, so we're gonna leave out the green. I may actually put in this green. That green's actually really pretty. So I'm gonna take one of these strips. I'm gonna take one of the green strips. I'm gonna take one of the yellow pom-poms, one of these, and I'm actually gonna throw in this pink. It literally matches this perfectly. And I'm gonna put it back here with the other, the bigger ribbon in the back. Okay, let me go ahead and cut a second one. And I got this ribbon at Sam's. We could add white too. You could add so many things. Whatever you want to add. It's up to you. Oh, I'm glad you like this color. Yeah, I mean, I like the green, but I just want to show that there's variety, right? Okay, so there is our little ribbon, and we're just gonna tie it on the ends. I'm gonna take, let me scoot this in. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tie it around the middle. And I'm just gonna double tie it. Okay, and voila, that is done. Okay, and it just kind of falls there on the side. Don't have to do much with it. Let's do the other side. We got these two. We have the green one, the white one, and the yellow one. Okay. Fold that in half. Take our other side and tie. That's how I'm gonna tie mine. You can do it however you want. That way, if I absolutely want to reuse this ribbon and I don't really care to have the lemon garland and I just want to repurpose everything from the garland, then I can still reuse it as a full ribbon, or like the full, what is that? Like, I don't know, 18, almost 2 feet of ribbon right here. So let's check it out. I'm gonna try and hold it. Look how cute. Do you guys see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Ah! I think it's adorable. Like, look at it. Thank you. Okay, guys, hit the heart button. Now I have to figure out how to hang this. Like, how do you hang with this? I mean, I could hang like one piece there, and then where is this gonna go? Oh no, I've got to figure out how to hang it. But I love the colors. I absolutely love all the colors. Let me kind of twist the ribbon around a little bit. There we go. There we go. Ta-da! All right. So grab your ribbon, grab your garland, type in the word garland below, and I'll send you the link, okay? Now, it does come with the meadow, which is the green color. If you don't want the green, I used Sunset Drive paste for this color, okay? You can even turn this into grapefruit if you choose to, but I'm going more for like pink lemonade, okay? So, super cute. Love how it came out. All right, let me put those in the water. And let's do the drawing. Okay. Thank you. Doesn't it look great? You guys, I made that this morning. If you didn't watch, I made that this morning. It's a Dollar Tree napkin, and I Mod Podged it to a canvas fabric. I sure did. I sure did. Okay, and you have this little Hello Sunshine you can use. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Now, let me get my computer out. Now, remember to get into the drawings, you guys. All you need to do is place an order on the website. $25 or more will get you entered. And you can get an extra entry if you donate $5 to Watts of Love with your purchase. So these little guys, they just go back onto the sheet. Oops. And we did do yesterday's drawing. We did it earlier this, I did not go live in the morning. Whenever I went live earlier, that's when I did it though. It was not morning. It's like early afternoon. Okay, let me get these two on here. And our last two. Thank you. That one and this one. Okay. So now I have this. I can use this again whenever I want. I can make my own lemons on a t-shirt or however I decide to use it. Okay? All right. There is that. Let me get my computer. And this is for yesterday's purchases online, okay? And if you haven't joined club, make sure you type in the word club below just to get some insight on it. That lemonade transfer right there is only available in May, and it's like a crafting monthly club that we have, okay? All right, and they get extra stuff. Extra goodies and extra giveaways and chances to win stuff, okay? All right, so this is from last night. Who shall it be? It is Patricia Curtis. Miss Patricia Curtis, you have won yesterday's drawing. Okay, so let me get your name put in the VIP group. And if you're not in the VIP group, make sure you get in the VIP group. Okay, type in the word Garland and the link will be in your messenger. Patricia Curtis. Patty. Save. Awesome. I already covered that earlier, but they will all get to you this upcoming week. We were waiting for one item. So if you had gotten Storm Ink, yours will be coming as soon as possible. I did an overnight order. It was supposed to come here on Saturday. It did not arrive yesterday or today. So I'm hoping it comes tomorrow, and we'll get those out for you tomorrow and by Tuesday for sure. They'll all be shipped out. Okay? Yay! Alrighty, y'all. That is all for this evening. If you're just popping on, check out what we just made. Super cute. It comes with the entire kit, except it will look like this. It comes with green, okay? It comes with green. It does not come with the pink. That was something I just wanted to change up so you guys had another option in case you didn't really care for the green. So, if you like the pink, I used Sunset Drive, but type in the word Garland. I put the information in there for you and where you can get it, okay? All right, hit the heart button. I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye, y'all.